Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can copy your editing drafts in the Shortcut app. So here I've already opened the Shortcut app. I've already on the home page. So let's say you want to edit a certain draft or a certain project, for example this one, but you don't want to lose the current progress, but you want to make another edit, so you can just copy the draft. So what you need to do is click on the three dots icon beside the draft itself. Click on the three dots icon and you'll find the copy option, so just click on that option. And here you can see now there are two version of the same draft. This is the original and this is the copied version. So that's a simple tutorial for me, but I hope this will be helpful. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.